Hi guys, congratulations on downloading the Residential Valuations Toolbar. These are the installation instructions to install the Residential Valuations Toolbar on Chrome for Windows. Okay, so if you're in a Mac, somewhere in the email that you've received, you should see another link allowing you to watch a video to install this on the Mac. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just talk you through how to install it. So, what you should have received if you click on the link is a file. And what I want you to do is to save that file, which is called chrome.zip, somewhere on your hard drive. Doesn't really matter that much, but somewhere that you can locate it into the future. Now, I've slightly blurred out this particular image just to protect the innocent. And what we're going to do is in Chrome, you're going to use Windows Explorer to find the chrome.zip file that you've just got, and you're going to double click chrome.zip. Now, inside there we should have a file that says rvt-chrome, which it's a folder. And what we're going to do is click on that folder, and then we're going to click extract. Okay? And then what we're going to do is just find somewhere to extract that folder to. Okay? So that's going to do its thing. And if we use Windows Explorer to go back to that folder, we should see that that folder has been extracted to here. Now what we're going to do is open Chrome. Okay, let's just ignore that for a second. Open Chrome. We are going to go to the three dots on the top right hand side and down to settings. And then we're going to go to extensions. Now it's really important. On the top right, you'll see something that is called developer mode. Okay, and we need to click this so it goes onto the right hand side, and we will see that we now have three buttons that have become visible. So we're going to click on load unpacked. Okay, we're going to find that folder rvt-chrome, and then we're going to click on select folder here, and that will have downloaded and installed the Residential Valuations Toolbar 1.0. Now basically how this works, if we open a new tab, we've got the postcode of a property that we are looking to evaluate. We're going to click on the jigsaw puzzle link here. We see that it's installed, so we're going to click on Residential Valuations Toolbar. And basically what we're going to do is input our postcode. So here we are going to say SW2 5JP. We're going to click on search. Okay, and it's going to open 14 tabs across the top, allowing you to evaluate that particular property. Okay, that's it. That's installed the Residential Valuations Toolbar. My name is Richard Shepherd, and I hope you enjoy using it. Thank you.